Hello, I'm Amaryllis from Deco. Today I will show you how you can make a side table or coffee table using cardboard. Yes, you hear well, cardboard. It's a very nice material to work with, it's cheap and easy as you don't need to use any power tool. I will show you how to make this nice arch-shaped side table. You can see they are very lightweight, and I will show you how you can give the cardboard a nice finish. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's start crafting! The first thing you need to do is to close one side of the box, and this side will be the top of your side table. And you can use a tape to hold it. And I will place a book at the bottom while the glue dries. Once the glue is dry, I already removed the books. You flip the table, well, the box. So this is the top. You can remove the tape. And you have to draw an arch on this side. So I already draw the vertical lines, and now I will draw the half circle. You can see the arch, and now you just have to get it out, and then you will keep this inner piece to reproduce the same arch on the other side. I show you how. So you just cut. So this is the arch, and you keep this piece, you turn the box, and you place the piece, and it's an easy way to have the same arch on the other side of the box. You can see the second arch, and then you have to cut it out too. So you can start to see how the side table will be. Don't cut this bottom flap yet. They will be useful to finish the table. So yeah, you can see, no? Okay. The shape of the table is made, but now what we have to do is glue more arch shaped inside to give the table strength. So we will cut more pieces of cardboard with the exact same shape. So I will use a large sheet of cardboard. You can reuse boxes if you want. Just use the cardboard with the vertical lines. They must be placed vertically inside of the table too, because it's the more resistant part of the cardboard. So you can see little waves are here, and I will cut the arch, the rectangle here and the arch. That way I show you how in a moment. So first I will just place the box on the cardboard, report the odd outer shape. So I will have a rectangle, and then I will try to slide it in to see if the dimension is correct. And a mobile cut of the arch. I don't know if it's easier with scissor or cutter. So this is the arch, and now I will check that it fits inside the cardboard box future side table. So I have to trim a little the side. Okay, once the inner arch is made, you check that it fits perfectly into the box, and then you have to check also that it fits here and there, and the arch. You can see here I still have to adjust it a little bit to fit. And it's very important that it fits perfectly, because this piece you will use it as a template to create more arches to glue inside the table. Okay, this time it's perfect. So I will use this piece create more arches, exact same size. Okay, so I will use it and reproduce the shape several times. Okay. So I cut 5 more arch pieces. And now I will glue them inside the table. So I will glue them on the side and here in the bottom. Well, that would be the top of the table, but it's the bottom of my box, you know. And I will use a glue gun. So all the arches are glued inside. You can see them. You can see them. And now what I will do is I will add a little piece of cardboard, and I will glue them in between the arches, just to ensure that the arches will stay in place nicely. So just show you like that. So I cut small pieces like that, and I just will slide them inside the arches and glue them. Okay. So I reinforced the inside with these pieces that you can see. Show you. Okay. With these pieces, so it gives a little more strength to the table. And now what we will have to do to finish the table is glue a cardboard sheet here inside the arch. So I cut the cardboard rectangle to glue inside the arch. Be careful when you cut your rectangle. You want the line of the cardboard to help you when folding it. You see, it's nice and easy to fold when the lines are this way. And to glue the cardboard inside the arch, this time I will use white glue. I don't use the glue gun because the glue dries very fast. and I need to adjust the cardboard inside, so I think it will be better using white glue, and I will use also masking tape to hold it in place while the glue dries. And I will put glue on every arch, so the table will be strong. Okay, now I want to finish the legs of the table, and the first thing to do is to cut this extra cardboard piece. And then use the flaps you have here to finish the bottom of the table. Again, you have to cut them at the right dimension. And now just have to glue it, and as it's quick to do, you can use the glue gun again. And I will do the same to finish the other leg of this table. And as you can see, the shape of the table is made. To have a nice tabletop, and you may have a gap here or something like I have here, it's not perfectly adjusted. So I just want to glue on the top a clean piece of cardboard. As you can see, I made two different tables, and you can slide them one into the other. Now you have to cover the cardboard to have a nice and clean finish, and then paint it. So I will try two different methods. The first one with newspaper. I will cover the small table dipping pieces of newspaper into wallpaper glue. That's for this one. And for the large table, I will try covering it with tile glue. Okay, we'll see how it works. I will start with the small one and cover it with newspaper and wallpaper glue. So the table is covered with newspaper. Now we have to wait until it's completely dry to paint it, and meanwhile I will try to cover the large table with the tile glue. So I let the table dry overnight. This is the one I made with papier mâché, and this one with I cover it with the tile glue. This one I will sand it a little, and then I will paint both of the table. I will apply a coat of primer on both table and then maybe add another color. And no worries, cardboard is very strong, I will show you. No problem, I can sit on the table